Always remember, butterflies are a part of our environment. It is wrong to catch butterflies just for fun and to keep them tied with a string. What we have learned? A hen sits on her eggs to hatch them. The fully grown chick breaks the eggshell and comes out. Egg, caterpillar, larva, chrysalis, pupa, and adult are the 4 stages of the life cycle of a butterfly. The plain tiger butterfly lays its eggs on the leaves of the milkweed plant. The larva emerges from the egg. It is called a caterpillar. When the growth of the caterpillar is complete, it enters the pupa stage, during which it lives inside the chrysalis. The adult butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. It has 6 long legs and 4 attractive wings.